project on the go. We've got here's our hot tub, boiler, and wood store, boiler house. We're extending this out the side now. We're going to have barbecue, and we are going to go for pizza oven. So we've got a stack of old rocks just around the other side that came down from demolishing half of the house for an extension a while ago. Here she goes, whacking out some reclaimed rocks into something cool.
We're doing cementing, and we pile some rocks and put cement on and spread it around. And then we put another rock on top.
This project's along, and I keep forgetting to video the work, so I will flip the camera around and show you how far we've got. A lot of it has been with the help of the kids, so it has not been an extremely quick process, but that's normally what happens, so it's all good. So the stones are built up all the way along, and just along the bottom, I think I'd already shown you breeze blocks along there just to hold the bank up really well, but the stones would have been fine. I just had breeze blocks. Thick 2-inch 5cm slabs on top to take the heat, and we've amended slightly what's going on here. So we were working on the principle that was the barbecue, that was a table for prep, and this was a pizza oven. But now the barbecue is going to run from here to about here, because that is the size of the grills, as you can see on the top. And we have extended it out the back because we have got a little bit more research done, and pizza oven is going to have to be a lot deeper than I first thought or didn't think, as the case may be. So extended it out the back, just filling that with rubble. It's a really good way to get rid of tons of the stone pile, so just filling it up. That'll be completely solid. A little bit of storage here, and that can go all the way back. And then the stone wall has come on really nice from here. And we are at the point where we are backfilling that, because the ground level is different, as you can see. So filling that with sieved soil so we can make plants grow and edge the whole project nicely. So that's what's going on. That's how far we've got. Boom. So now I'm at the stage where I'm puzzling over the exact layout. I have got a load of old roof tiles, I've got a load of old bricks. These were reclaimed out somebody's chimney that I went and picked up, and these have come off my house, leftovers of course. So now I'm puzzling over the layout. Chosen the design. This is what we're going to go for. We're going to go for brick. tile, brick, tile, and then every other one the grill can slide over. Still got to finish this bit as well. Obviously bringing this up to this level so we can whack another slab on there. So that is how we made our barbecue. That's how we turned a load of old junk that we had in the garden into our fantastic eating space in our garden. Thanks to everyone who subscribed since we last uploaded some videos. If you like the video and you want to see, if you like that video and want to see more about the things that we're doing and the things we're up to, the things that we're making out of stuff that we had lying around, then please like, subscribe. If you like birds, watch the UK Owl Diary. That's our other channel. Bye for now.